You want to launch it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, fuck yeah, let's do it. Oh! What a sick turnout, guys. So good. So good. You want to do a 60 roll? Yeah, wait. Ready? Crazy lineup. One more. Oh my god. And check out the interior, guys. Look at the fucking door. That's so much Alcantara. These have some of the nicest interiors in the game. That steering wheel goes sick too.
I got it.
What's up, fam? We are with Davis. We are at the Shell Howell Mill, Touchless Car Wash. We're about to go join up with the Exotics crew and then rally down to a country club. So that is going to be exciting for sure. You might, oh yeah, if you want to hold that. Thank you, man. So we are dressed in white shirts because it's an all-white affair. I actually don't own a pair of white pants, so I'm not really worried about it. I'm sure it's not really a big deal. And we're gonna check it out. It's gonna be a car show there. And we won't stick around too long. I think I'm just really most excited for the rally down. So it should be a good time. This is always fun with the flashing lights. I even put my own flashing lights on, just be like, fuck it, I'm gone. You need to hustle a little bit. They're meeting at 3 o'clock. It says 3:13 right now. We just shaved off 5 minutes going through that intersection somehow. Open the valves, it's been closed this whole time. I'm gonna turn the burble off. Yesterday, I coded out active sound design, and I actually really like it without active sound design. Jesus Christ. There's 2 lanes. Actually, there's 1 lane. The Volvo driver is supposed to be safe. This is Davis's first time in the car. He works for an awesome company called Prize Picks, where you can make plays on sports, and I'm hopefully looking to join, so we'll see next week if I hear good news. You should definitely check them out, guys. They just signed the previous CEO at Activision Blizzard, so he's joined Prize Picks, and they are building out a 1,000-seat office in Atlanta. Is that right?
Yeah, West Midtown.
In West Midtown? Unbelievable. Okay, so the Volvo is not that safe. Neither are we. should definitely come on a track day with me if you want and get the flavor of going on. Have you been on track before?
I have not.
Oh, dude, yeah, just, you know, guest is free. I could bring you along at AMP, and then you get over that sense of fear of bringing your own car there, and then it's just like you get addicted to it. Oh, a little bump there, not bad.
Yeah, let me know. I'm definitely doing
Yeah, AMP is the perfect place to start. This is how we dry the car. Little bump. One more. I have a aluminum under tray on the car. Prevents anything really happening when it scrapes, which is really good. There's a exposed oil cooler from the car factory, which is kind of crazy. They say this BrandsMart is in Atlanta, but it's really Doraville, which is the edge of Atlanta. People still get an Atlanta zip code there, but it's closer towards Dunwoody than it is Atlanta, really. Does the car in the 340 have different suspension settings, so you can go like stiff, comfort, things like that?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's an option. Mine has.
Nice.
Adaptive suspension.
I think it makes a big difference. Like 400 is so firm that I usually just run on comfort settings.
Yep.
And when you track the car, BMW actually recommends the comfort settings.
Really?
Yeah. We started with a 318 estimate, we're down to 310, guys. And the car is definitely going to be dry, which is really the ultimate goal. It was never to drive like this anyway. Oh my god, what is that? It's like toxic sewage. What this car is really good at is going fast at a stable, like just a stable feeling. You don't even realize the speeds that you're doing, and then you're there. It's just unbelievable. A bucket list item for me is to go to Germany on the Nürburgring and rent one of these out and just take it out there and see what it's capable of.
You should definitely make it way out there.
See if we were in the firmest settings that whole time. We were. Let's go to comfort. Ease our way in. There was a shooting in Midtown like 3-4 weeks ago, dude. Absolutely nuts. It was a robbery. I think a guy stole a purse, right? And then he tries to escape through where, I would say, you know where that steak restaurant is? Around there. And then there's a seafood restaurant as well.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I know what you're talking about.
It's pretty close to us, just a few blocks over. And so a cop flags him down. Cop gets out of his car, goes towards where he's hiding. The guy starts shooting at the cop, right? And this cop is taking like no shit. He runs towards the fire, the gunfire, and then he aims from like 100 yards away and shoots the guy in the arm. And then he goes and takes him down. Like that is what we need. Like that's what I'm talking about.
Right.
Like go after these idiots who are stealing things and then shooting after the police.
I want to know when that last guy issued a ticket, speeding ticket.
Probably not, because APD has so much to deal with. And you think that, you know, guys watching the channel, Atlanta is full of all kinds of crime, a lot of financial like fraud and scamming, but those people who are committing the scamming are usually armed with guns that are hot, that have been used for other, you know, illicit activities. And they're actually the most dangerous people on the street. And that's what the police are after. There was a huge bust at an Atlanta farmer's market of like meth, and it was in the lettuce or something like that. It was just absolutely nuts. All right, 309, 9 minutes off. That is a world record. Brandsmart should be coming up on the left. Oh, I might have gone a little bit too to the next one. There it is. A lot of dealerships here. You want to launch it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, fuck yeah, let's do it. Oh!
No camera could ever do that justice.
A little bit of wheel spin, you heard of it? That's hilarious, guys. We just had a freaking Huracan Technica pull up next to us. and we launched it. Oh, that looks sick. All right, guys, got to check out the whole lineup here. We also got an AMG GT right there, Huracan, M4 Competition, R8 V10. I think that's a 570S. It is 570S. This thing is tuned, exhaust, absolutely nuts. Another McLaren. I'm trying to think if this is a 570. Cannot tell, but it looks gorgeous. Huracan Technica. Got an i8. Got a crazy McLaren. I think this is an MP4C. God damn, that looks sick.